Hello, welcome to our channel. This week bonus video is about honey. So today we will be doing a DIY honey and curd hair mask. So keep on watching.
Curd, also known as dahi, is a perfect tonic for improving the quality of hair. The protein content in curd helps to moisturize hair and get rid of dandruff. It also helps to give relief from irritation and itchiness of the scalp. It is also a good conditioner. So, if you are suffering from issues such as hair fall, dry hair and damaged hair, curd will help in making your hair soft and lustrous and beautiful. So for this remedy, you will need 1 tablespoon of honey followed by 4 tablespoons of curd. In a bowl, add both ingredients together and whisk it well. Then apply it all over your hair and scalp, followed by a massage. Then let it stay for 20 minutes. Then you can wash it off like you always do with your shampoo and off. So this is it for now. If you try it out, please comment down below. Also, if you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. We make videos every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. And right now we are doing a bonus video every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So on this Thursday we will be doing a milk and honey mask. So if you want to see that, do not forget to click on the little notification bell to be notified when the video comes up. Till next, take care.